So for this really sweet message for all the beginners, do not give up, just believe in yourself, because if you don't, who else, right? So keep doing what you're doing and here for 30 seconds. Continue educations, you know, inspire and be inspired and support each other's and be kind, you know, and be passionate. Don't give up. Whatever you want, if you want it really bad, you can get it. So I know it's just like fun. It's just to talk about ours, like careers and the nails and everything. So I have we're going to the second one, but this is second two of them. Then you pick what you want. Bless you. You pick what you want for the designs, and I can do it. Maybe crystals with all of. So I have a piece of the foil right here. I still have it with me, and I sprinkle it. I haven't done it this one for a while, but you've seen me doing it so many different occasions, like a different designs, a different colors for different things. I like to crinkle it like this because then it looks softer if you don't want a whole piece to transfer on it, so you can create like kind of ombre look for foil. And you can do other colors. You can do silver, you can do pink, you can do blue, you can do however you want it. You know what? It looks great. You can even do a whole set like this and clients will love it. You like it? Money back, that's yes, try that. Oh, Whitney, I was like, I thought that Whitney say bye. Condensed glue gels. If you do a whole set like this, right, I'd give all the different techniques and a different set. You can do a whole set like this, and then 2 ring finger you put crystal on, or you can do a whole set with the nude colors and then 2 nails with this design. So however, this is some cool ideas for all of you, and of course I got to see so many cool ideas that you sharing with us, so was so excited. So really thick condensed, I would move it upside down. It doesn't matter. I always make sure I put the cap on. You don't want them to be clear, because if you're working and busy with clients and running around and moving and so many time of day, you open it and make sure you close it, so be safe, so they won't be in here. All right, so after that, I am going to apply right away. It's no white top coat. I always sharing it back, and you might seeing my videos over and over just because of I want to make sure that I deliver and I'm not forgetting it. So then your crystal will really thanks to you, and the clients will be happy because they are not gonna go anywhere but on their nails. We have a clients like today, even we get to talk to the clients, and their nails are like good, maybe about 6-7 weeks already, and they still stay on really. All right, let me see. I'm gonna using this one to inspire with the colors I want to. I don't know, should I doing a pink? What you want to see? The pink. I mean, I'm so sorry. I want to say a pink. I'm saying a pink. The orange, kind of yellow. No, yellow, and then the blue. So which one would you like to do? I like to ask you because all of you are gonna have all cool. Green.
Well, check first.
Green doesn't matter because I'm gonna put my whole entire collection of my right here. Can I get some frame there too? Frame.
You want this, right? You want like the old school, right?
It's so sweet that I love you ladies. Like all of a sudden we'll say bye-bye, Winnie. Say, wait a minute, I just joined. Green and pink, orange and yellow. Okay, so to be fulfill all of your like asking, so I'm gonna do pink, and then the rest of them I'll do others colors. It doesn't matter, totally doesn't matter to me. Pink, and I'll start dressing the rest of them with any colors you want. Okay, so let me see. Pink, green, yellow. Hi Jessica, happy birthday. Today's your birthday, Jessica? What today? Today's the 10th? No, the 9th. My mother's birthday 2 days ago. All right, we have pink. Anybody say green? Pink, green. All right, I'm trying to fulfill everyone's. I'm gonna do all variety of different collections of this. And then you will never go wrong with any. They can place them. If this is for all the beginners, how you can place a crystal. As long as you place them really close together, and do not afraid of to place them like randomly. As long as you place them really close together, and they connect things like a chain, they usually turn out really nice. I don't say like most of the times. And I have the pink one right there. Oh, sorry. Do you ever, oops, that's me. Do you ever have overwhelming with what you're doing? I am, because sometimes my DNAs go all over places, and then I have to sit down and calm down for a little bit, because I think my brain is work faster than my body can catch. Like, oh, Nancy, what about this? Oh, Nancy, what about this? Like, I'm just telling myself. Can you get me an obsidian bead? So the obsidian beads is really nice because it balances it out, because it's so bright right now. I am going to save this for the other nails, so then we can see, we can move that tray. Me, sometimes I get, I'm gonna say sometime, stay tuned for a lot of more as fun products and tutorials on your way. I can't wait. This is keep moving to me, but it's okay. You can always adjusting it. It's not gonna hurt at all. And until you hear it, you can adjusting them. Okay. I'll switch it this. It's one of the, it's still bigger than the other. You can do the silver, or you can do gold. Gold looks good too. Silver looks good as well. I don't know, either way. I'm go fine with that.
Yeah, they say she never liked neon, but she keep watching you, now she like it.
Nuna, I'm so glad.
I have to move the neon so you can see.
Yeah. You know what? Like a lot of things, When same thing with a lot of different, like, because you seeing it, but then if you have a hands on it, you start playing with this, it give a totally different I would never think it's like even a crystal placement can take it to the next level. Like you see, we're seeing a lot of crystal like bling bling, right? You can still really is bling and design so much cool ideas and designs without like it just pie up your crystal. You can really place them like a jewelry. No, I don't know. It's just for all the crystal, besides a lot of like really sparkle crystal, neons is my really one of my favorites because it has such a really good statement. Looks so vibrant. It looks so nice. I don't know how to explain it, but it's really make a difference. Okay, I need to move this one out. Back here. Great. Hi Melissa, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. I'm so glad you like it, Nuna. Then I can't wait to see your beautiful creation too. Do not afraid of to challenge it. Sometimes you think it looks so and then, you know, sometimes the thing I have to try like this because sometimes some designs I don't care much for it, but my clients loves it. Like everybody have a different, I think, taste for it, so we had to try it all. And plus, the different clients, like when we get back to regular routine, they got to go to like hanging out to the nights and nightclub, or even like anything with the black lights. Their nails will be is really glows in the black lights. So if you're happy with this, we're gonna cure it for is 60 seconds. I think it's just holding a little bit on the side to make sure. Great, 60 seconds to hold the base. This today is the neon theme. And what should we do now? We're gonna do some fun transfer foil too. I know it's every day, like me and Sarah's and the team, some of us will be back into regular routine, but we're always trying to get something is really different, like variety of it, so then you can't able to enjoying it, and then you get some ideas of what you can do for your clients, from like doing even the press on glue on nails, or you can do it on the clients. Oh, this looks cool. Okay. I'm finding the cool, fun things for all of you. Condensed Pixie. And try to find number 9. Beautiful. We are going to put the pre-season glue. You can get me a pack of like a foil, a single foil like this, but in that themed colors. This is pre-season glue gel, and then I'm gonna give you a little bit of the exam right here. I feel it's just a little bit scratchy right here. I really enjoying it, like get time, even though it's a lot of works, but you know, is the more I got to do to share with you ladies, the more I get to learn. I learned so much from all of you, and I'm so happy that I can able to do it, so then we can all learn together. And I am using it right now is my twin tip brush, and give it a little quick swipe.